Hello, welcome to this live webinar. My name is Lekon Oloyomi. I'm a cryptocurrency enthusiast, and on this video I'll be taking you through how to make money with cryptocurrency trading, and I'll also be taking you through a guide of the money mindset that you need as a financial trader to be successful. All right. You might be wondering why I'm doing this video. It's basically because growing up, I had a lot of challenges with money, and until I discovered how to make money and how to do it with cryptocurrency. So ever since, it's been my goal to help as many people as possible discover what they can do with money and cryptocurrencies. So I have a slide in front of me here, and this is a live webinar. That means that you have the power to ask me questions at the end of the video. So I look forward to having a good time with you. Thank you. So what are cryptocurrencies, right? I'm sure for you to be watching this video, definitely you must have been hearing about cryptocurrencies. You're probably wondering what they are, right? Cryptocurrencies are simply digital assets, right, that are widely accepted as a form of currency anywhere, and they can be used to buy regular goods and services. All right. When I mean digital assets, I mean assets. An asset is generally anything that has value, right? That can be used as a means of purchase anywhere. So just like cryptocurrencies are used digitally. All right. So that means that they do not exist in physical form. That is, you cannot hold them or see them or place them. Rather, and they are not. You have to know that they are not. They are decentralized. That is, they are not particularly controlled by any authority like a government or a bank, or what it is, right? Simply, they are trusted on peer-to-peer, network, right? So, and of course, cryptocurrency, you have to know that it was first discovered by a man named Satoshi Nakamoto. You'll probably be hearing of who Satoshi Nakamoto is. He discovered Bitcoin through mining, through a technology called cryptography. That was in 2008, all right? And he called it a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, all right? So cryptocurrency is more like a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It is basically a virtual money that works on the cryptography algorithm, all right, and then it is decentralized, right? That is what cryptocurrency is. So right now, I'm sure you should have. If you have any question, like I said, this is a live video. You can drop a comment, and I will answer all your questions, all right, at the end of this video. So you need not worry. I'm going to break down what cryptocurrency is. Like, you have to know, it's digital assets that works on the blockchain technology, that is the cryptography, all right, and then you can use it for exchanges as a value of exchange, all right. So you're wondering what is blockchain. I've mentioned blockchain technology. So when you're talking about blockchain, right, there's no way you can associate cryptocurrency without blockchain, because cryptocurrency works on the blockchain technology, on the blockchain network. So you're wondering what is a blockchain, all right? I know you're wondering what is a blockchain. I'll tell you what the blockchain is, right? So we are thinking about a blockchain. Think about our natural bank. When you request for your statement of accounts from your bank, your local bank, right? And then they send you your statement of accounts. So you see areas where there's inflow and there's outflow of all that you've spent and what you've received, right? So now think about that digitally. Right, think about a technology where all your inflows can be taken, can be seen, and displayed like a ledger. Think about it as a ledger, like a bank ledger, right? But a digital bank ledger where everything that's been happened with your cryptocurrency is recorded, right, and can be made public. All right, right. It is managed by a peer-to-peer network, and it's easy with the blockchain technology. It's easy. It's difficult rather for your cryptocurrency to be hacked, or what's it called, checked, right? So we have to understand, like I said, cryptocurrencies are currencies. They are digital assets, digital money that are spent online over the internet, that works on the blockchain technology, right, using cryptography. And I already explained what the blockchain tech. Like I said, this is a live webinar. Please feel free to ask any question, and at the end of the session, and you'll see it. So that is it. So, but before we continue, all right, let me quickly take you through a brief history of money. All right, I know a lot of you have. It's a very common time. If I ask any one of you what is money, I'll hear different answers. money is value, money is used to buy goods and services. But you know, did you even understand, did you even know that money has been existing for the past 5,000 years, right? So I will take you quickly through the history of money. So you remember back in the olden days, I mean, even before you know, this generation, back in 5,000 centuries, 17th centuries ago, right? You remember then that there was no money in particular. But for example, if I have a cloth and then you have a food, I am hungry and you need to wear a cloth, what do? We exchange it. I give you my clothes in exchange for the food. That is exactly how money started back in the days. It is called bartering, trade by barter. I know you all understand trade by barter. You know, just by giving me, I give you what you have, then you give me, you know, what you need. But you know, that system does not really work. It's not really adequate, because imagine nobody is hungry. I mean, or nobody wants to wear clothes. For example, imagine during the pandemic where everybody is inside. I mean, nobody is wearing clothes, going out for fashion. Right? Everybody is hungry. Right? Everybody wants food, but then that means that there's already more demand than supply of food, right? So you can imagine that system is not really accurate. So we had to move from that trade by barter, from that type of currency exchange, to physical commodity, right? Like such as gold, like dowries, like coins, you know, like dowries and gold, right? Where people exchange what they have. Instead of exchange what you have, then there's a central means of exchange, like gold, like dowry, right? That's the central means where you can bring me your dowry and I give you my gold. Right? You give me your gold and I give you what I have. Then later, you know, we move to physical commodity, paper. We need physical commodity like the coins, right? Then later on, we move to the paper money. Paper money, you know, printing of papers, right? But then still, we are currently in the days of living in the paper money, but we still know the inadequacy with that system, right? Because I mean, imagine you want to move billions of dollars, you want to move billions of naira. You cannot really take everything; it's too heavy, right? It's inadequate. Then in the 700 CE, the Chinese now moved, you know, for paper money now to the virtual money, the internet money, right? Such as the mobile payments and the virtual currencies. You know, the mobile payments, I mean, such as services like Apple Pay, Google Pay, right? Those are digital mobile payments, right? Where you can send money instantly from here, and then someone who is in a far country, in another territory, in another continent, sees the money almost instantly, right? And now we talk about virtual currencies, right? Virtual currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Interesting word, right? Interesting word. These are really interesting times, and you know, we are really moving into the future, right? If you are here on this video watching this live webinar, I must once again tell you congratulations. You are at the right place at the right time, because it's a really interesting period, and it's the right time for you to jump into the cryptocurrency trade. So like I said, the brief history of money, we started from bartering, from trade by barter, that's like 6,000 BC, then to physical objects, you know, then to paper money, to gold, then to credit cards, then to electronic money like Cash App, like PayPal, now then to cryptocurrencies. And we have several types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know, Litecoin. You have a lot, you know, a lot of them, you know, Ethereum Classic, so many of them, right? So now that you know about cryptocurrency, now that you know about blockchain, now that you know about the history of money, all right, I'm sure you're excited for the next level, right? Which is exactly what we are here to talk about in this video. That is how to make money using cryptocurrencies, right? How do you make money using cryptocurrency? You have idea about cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you know all of those things already, right? You know how it works. It's a digital asset, you can exchange it, value, it works on the blockchain technology. Now, how do you make money from it, right? So I can tell you that you can become active in the crypto industry by leveraging the wide range of opportunities, you know, in the commercial availability of, you know, what is existing in that space through Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know, and several others. The first way that I will tell you is block rewards, or what I will call mining. All right, right now, as I'm telling you, as I'm doing this video for you, I'm telling you that a lot of people are making money already through mining. I mean, they're making money already through mining of cryptocurrencies. All right, a lot of people are making money already through mining of cryptocurrencies. And how do you do that? Technically, if you have a computer and an internet, right, you make money You just have to solve a series of mathematical equations, right, on your computer terminal. But that is definitely not for beginners. I'm sure that this webinar was actually made for beginners, so I won't be talking much about that. So if you want to know more about that, you watch my other videos on my YouTube page. All right, you see you see videos where I've talked more about how advanced people can make money through cryptocurrency. But on this video, because it's for beginners, I will stick with other ones like trading and investing. All right, apart from mining of cryptocurrencies, you can also make money through trading it and trade investing. But let's talk about investing first of all, right? So you need to understand that there are brokerages platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, Binance, Remitano, right, allows you to invest in crypto, right? They offer you the ability, right, to trade some of the most popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, right, that you may use as an alternative investment options other than stocks. I know when people talk about investing, what comes to mind of an average person is real estate, stocks, right? But I'm telling you that a lot of people are making money by investing in cryptocurrency. Why? Because of the volatility, right? Cryptocurrency, I mean, let me give you an example, right? You remember in 2020 when the COVID started, right? Cryptocurrencies, for example, Bitcoin, right, went down as low as $4,000 per Bitcoin, right? Around 4,500. I'm not so sure of the exact figure, but as low as that. And right now, as I'm making this video, I'm telling you that Bitcoin is trading around $40,000 per Bitcoin, which actually, had an all-time high of about $69,000 last year, right? Now let me tell you how to make money from it. Imagine you bought a Bitcoin just 2 years ago, 2020, during the COVID period. You bought it for $4,000. That's one Bitcoin, right? As I'm talking to you just about 700 days after, which is like 2 years, right? It is trading at $40,000. Now imagine you bought two BTC, right? That means that you bought two BTC with $8,000, but today you are worth $40,000, right? If you remove your capital, which is $8,000, you'll be left with $72,000 in 2 years, right? Tell me the stocks that you want to buy. Tell me the real estate that you want to buy. That won't. I mean, this is over. I'm talking about over 1,000, over 2,000 profits gained, right? So you invest. This is the right time for you to invest in cryptocurrency if you are not currently in that space. And like I said, you don't have to necessarily. You have to keep in mind that you don't even have to buy one as a whole. You can buy in bits. So if you're not investing in cryptocurrency, you need to think about it properly. And like I said, how do you do that, right? You can do it online through exchanges like Remitano. Like Remitano is a good one for you to invest. Don't let me dwell too much on that. So we'll talk about trading, right? Trading generally implies to a shorter term approach to generating profits. You make money from longing and shorting profit. That is, I'm sure a lot of you are scared of trading cryptocurrencies because you think that, it's too volatile. Today the price is up, tomorrow the price is down. Let me tell you, do you know that you can make money either through the pumping or the dumping of the prices of cryptocurrencies? That is through shorting and through longing. If you're longing, you're making money. If you're shorting, you're also making money. So, and you can also work around the limitations, of making cryptocurrency available through the exchange of gift cards. So another way of making money through cryptocurrency is through the use of gift cards. You can also leverage affiliate programs. For example, Remitano is currently doing giving up to 40% referral bonus. That is, if you just by registering on their website and then sharing the link given to you to your other guys to register, you can also make money by being an affiliate program and also by becoming a fiat agent, right? That is just making yourself available, positioning yourself well that you can also make transfer. You can even earn up to $500 dollars per month. So there are a lot of vast opportunities in the cryptocurrency industry that you need to look into, right? I'm sure that you're enjoying the video by now, and I'm sure by now you're ready. Like I said, you should know what cryptocurrencies are all about, what blockchain is all about, the brief history of money. Like we said, how money started from the olden days through trade by barter to dowries to coins to paper money, and right now why it is important for you to understand that the world is moving from the physical, right? We are going into the technology world, and without cryptocurrency is simply the currency of the tech of the future. It's the currency of technology, right? You cannot spend physical money in the digital world. I'm sure you've heard about the new innovations like the metaverse. Without cryptocurrency, you can't get it. But before we go into that, before you start making money with cryptocurrency. Let me quickly share with you the mindset that you need to have as a good trader, right? When you see people like Bill Gates, like Warren Buffett, like Elon Musk, those guys they are the billionaires of our time, right? They're the richest people in the world. Trust me, they're not thinking like have you ever thought about it? What separates a very, very wealthy person to a poor person, right? It is the way they think, right? It is in their mindset, right? And there are a lot of mindset that you need to know about how a wealthy person behaves. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be sharing with you just three, all right? And the first one is understanding that you are in control, especially with your finances, right? See, nobody can control your financial life for you, right? You have to take responsibility. You have to take responsibility. Let me tell you, rich people believe that I create my life, but poor people, what do they believe in? They believe in fate. They believe that life happens to me, all right? They think, oh, you see poor people complain about everything. Oh, the government, the economy is bad. The government is not doing enough. Yes, I agree with you. I mean, the government is not doing enough. The economy is bad. Whatever excuse that you have, I agree with you, right? But then it doesn't change anything, does it? Does that change your financial life? Does that increase your money? You have to understand that your money is your responsibility, right? You have to take care. You have to make sure you invest. You have to make sure you save. You have to make sure you do whatever it is to make money. You have to be committed to a wealthy lifestyle, right? As a good trader, you have to ensure that you take responsibility for it. You can't afford to live your financial life, especially to fate or to situations or things, or sitting down every day and thinking, or positive thinking. A lot of people have that mistake of always thinking positive. Oh, I am a rich person, I'm a rich person, money. Yes, that's good. You have to think that, but at the same time, my friend, there's more than that. You have to take full responsibility of your financial life. Another thing that you must know, key number 2, I hope you're writing down. I hope you're jotting this down. These are important information that you need to jot down. I encourage you that you have a sheet of paper with you and jot down. Like I said, this is a live webinar, so at the end of this video, you have the right to ask me any question, especially from what we've been talking about. And I'm right here to answer all your questions, right? I've been trading cryptocurrencies since 2016. Way before 2016, but I started investing in 2016. I've been watching this space since 2014. I invested my first Bitcoin in 2015. All right. So whatever question you need to know, I am going to be right here answering it. Number 2, to be a successful trader, you have to have self-confidence. All right. To be a successful trader, you have to have self-confidence. You must believe. You must believe in your abilities to create value. Money is all about value. As you can see through the history of money, that money comes only when you bring some sort of value, right? I have this, I want to exchange it for that. That's how you make money, right? So you have to believe, first of all, in yourself, that you have the ability to create money. You have the ability to bring money out of yourself. You are designed, when you were created, you are designed to multiply. You were designed to replicate. You were designed to reproduce. All right. So it's not okay for you to be broke. It's not okay for you to be poor. Right. It's not okay. I tell you today, if you are there right here looking at me and you are still poor, you are not supposed to be like that. You are not supposed to be like that. You need to watch this video over and over. So I appeal to you that you subscribe to this channel. All right. So you can go over this video and watch it all over again. Watch it in the morning when you're having your bath, when you get back from work. Watch it. Listen to me, my friend. You need to believe in yourself, right? Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Dangote, Donald Trump. Do you see so much self-confidence that those guys have in themselves? They believe that no matter what happens to them, they will make a way. So that's number 2. You have to be confident in your value and your ability to provide for it. All right. Poor people rather exchange their value for time, right? I'm so sorry to say this, but you see poor people running after people that will give them small money in exchange for their time. But take control of your time. All right. Key number 3, as a good trader, number 3, you have to always have a trading plan. Let me tell you, the difference between gambling and cryptocurrency trading is planning. The only difference between gambling and cryptocurrency trading is planning. So if you are here thinking that cryptocurrency is a get rich quick scheme, I'm sorry, but you have to think about it again. You really have to think about it again. Trust me, I lie you not. You have to have a plan. You have to know your exit and your entry. When do you buy? When do you exit? And then you don't want to do like a poor person. you have to think that you're a rich person. Then what do poor people do? Poor people mismanage their money. All right, you don't want to mismanage your money, so you have to have a plan. You have to have a plan, right? No matter what your capital is it $1,000? Is it $500? Is it $1 million? Right? How much money are you willing to invest in this? How much money are you willing to save for this? You need to have a plan. All right, you need to have a plan. Set a goal for your life. Where you want to invest in this thing for 6 months, for 3 months. By the way, the least amount of time I tell people that they should at least, if you're not ready to wait for 6 months, don't come into cryptocurrency. Don't even think about it. All right, so you must have patience, all right, and you must have the ability to manage your money. So with this 3 key mindsets, I hope you think about it and then make it a part of you, make it a habit to always believe in yourself, and also take financial responsibility. Take your responsibility for your financial life. All right, so now let me quickly tell you how to get started with crypto. Right, I know you're excited, Abi. So if you're excited, go into the comment section. Tell me one thing you're excited about. Tell me thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you're excited. All right. So I'm gonna be talking to you on how to get started with crypto. All right. I like this part. See, the easiest way to purchase crypto is through online. It's through an online exchange. Like I said, it's a digital money. So you cannot walk into your local bank and say you want to buy cryptocurrency. They will direct you to exchange. They will direct you to machines. All right. So there are different types of exchanges. I'm gonna be mentioning just a few for the purpose of this video. Like there's a popular one, Binance. There is Remitano. There's Locksmart Exchange. But for the purpose of this video, right, I will be sticking with Remitano. Right. So easy for you. Remitano, allows you opportunities to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, like Litecoin, Ethereum Classic. So many other ones on their platform, right? And you also remember that you do not necessarily need to buy a single digit, right? You can buy in fractions. You can buy as low as $2. You can buy as low as $5. In fact, they are currently Remitano currently has an offer where, I'm sure that if you participated in the game before this video, you should have probably won $5, right? You can use your $5 to buy crypto immediately. All right. So things you should know about getting started with crypto. Number one, how do you store your cryptocurrency? Right. So storing crypto is similar to storing cash, which means that you need to protect it from theft and loss. Right. There are so many ways to store it online and offline. Right. I'm sure those exchange, like I said, their platform is well secured, and when you purchase from them, you can also store it on their platform securely. Right. Of course, they use the cryptographic technology, like I said, to store your wallet. All right, and you can also secure it through an offline hardware, right? Through an offline hardware. You don't necessarily have to store it online. You can store it to an offline hardware. It's called cold wallets, right? It's called cold wallet. And there are examples of it, like you have the Ledger, you have the Trezor. But when you're doing this, please ensure that you're buying directly from the company. Ensure that you're buying directly from the accredited vendors, so you do not trade your wallet to scammers. All right. So before you start trading cryptocurrencies, right, there are things that you need to know. There are steps that you need to take to get you started. Number one, you have to do your own research. This video is only telling you. Remember that this video is only telling you about what cryptocurrency is, what blockchain is, what money is. The mindset you need to have as a good cryptocurrency trader, and how to get started. Right. First thing first is to do your own research. Like I said, there are thousands. I think there are over 5,000 different types of cryptocurrencies. You can check it on coinmarketcap.com. If you want to know different types of cryptocurrencies that we have, you can Google CoinMarketCap, and then you see different types. Like I said, there are a lot. There's Ripple, there's XRP, there's a lot. All right. Then when you start that, then you must learn how to place your trades and read your charts. Right. That's more for advanced learners. Then thirdly, choose the trading method. Right. You have to choose a trading method that's best for you. Right. Like I said, the difference between gambling and trading is having the plan. So choose a trading method. Right. Learn how to read your charts. Are you going to be doing line trading? Are you going to be doing day trading? Are you going to be swinging? And are you going to be swapping, day trading? Or do you want to be, you have to just choose a trading method that suits you best, and then you start. So quickly, let me take you on how to make your first trade on Remitano. If you're here, you can click www.remitano.com and register, do your verification, and then you get right on your first trade. All right. When you enter the platform, you choose the right seller. All right, remember that as a smart buyer, your aim is to buy as low as possible. All right, and then your goal also is to make sure that you buy as low as possible from the most trusted vendor. All right, because in as much as you want good profits, you don't want your money being taken away from you. So when you register and you do your verification, right, you see it on the platform, you choose the right seller and check the one that has good rating, maybe 4-star or 5-star. Then you trade your easy cash out. You buy and sell your cryptocurrency. All right, there are some safe tips that you need to know, though. You need to avoid trading with traders with poor reputation, because like I said, you need to protect your money. And also the first line of security is to make sure you use your personal information. So when you're registering, ensure that you use your personal information, ensure that you use information that you can easily remember. Remember, it's a digital asset, so once you cannot remember your password, I'm sorry, but your money is gone. So when you're registering, make sure you can use information that you can remember. Better still, write it down somewhere in a sheet of paper and keep it very, very, very safe and secure. So I'm sure you've had a good time on this video, and very soon, we are coming to the end of this video. Like, remember, I've been able to take you through what cryptocurrencies are. Like I said, they are digital assets that can be exchanged, can be used as a form of value. I talked about where they work through the blockchain technology. I told you to think about the blockchain as a form of a bank ledger, right? Where all your transactions are recorded and they're kept in a block online. It is public, it is not private. You can easily check it anywhere. Talk to you about the brief history of money, the mindset of money. But before you know, what are the terminologies? As a newbie, right? I know you're a newbie, and I know that you've probably been seeing some terminologies about cryptos, like but I'll take you through some terminologies. First thing I'll take you through is the market, right? You see people talking about the crypto market. What is the crypto? What is the market? Simply, market is what the market is. It's a place to buy or sell your order at the current market price and execute it immediately. That's market. I'll also take you to another one. You have HODL. You see people talking about it. Some people call it old. Some people call it oldly. Some people call it different fun names. HODL simply means hold on for dear life. Hold on for dear life. It's a terminology that is used when you buy a coin and then you have to wait, right, for a very, very long period of time before you sell. So during that period, you can see the prices fluctuating up and down, and you're panicking. Newbies like you would definitely panic. But for advanced traders like us, what do? We hold on for our dear life, right? Another terminology that you might not be used to is altcoin. You see people talking about altcoin. What's an altcoin? Simply, very simple. An altcoin is any coin that is not Bitcoin. When cryptocurrency started, right? The first person that created Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been the forerunner ever since, right? So Bitcoin is the most popular, but any coin that is not Bitcoin, for example, Ethereum, Ripples, Remitano coin, whatever you call them altcoins. So you might be wondering what altcoin is. So wallet, what's the wallet? A wallet is the place to store your cryptocurrency holdings. Many exchanges offer digital wallets. Wallets may be online or may be offline, like I said. Yeah, you're also hearing of P2P. What is P2P? P2P means peer-to-peer. Two users interacting directly without a third party or intermediary. These are many more the types of cryptocurrency that you must know. And I'm glad to tell you that I've enjoyed myself on this video, explaining to you what cryptocurrencies are, right? I hope you also had a good time. I'm trusting you did. Like I said, you can ask me any question. Before you go, you need to like and subscribe on this page. You see a link, click the link in the bio to like and subscribe to this video, and follow me on my Instagram page at lekon.oluwayomi for all other videos. Blockchain is the tech. Bitcoin is merely the first mainstream manifestation of its potential. That was said by Mark Kennisburg, right? A cryptocurrency is just as one of the most popular cryptocurrency enthusiasts, right? Blockchain is the tech. Bitcoin is merely the first mainstream manifestation of the potential. All right, and with this, I'm glad to tell you that we are here at the end of this video. Like I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll answer in the comment section below. Comment below, and then tell me one thing that you've learned on this video, and let us know how much we can help you better in future videos. Thank you. Have a good time. Cheers.